Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel again. We're just going to do this quick video because we're the morning after the US election where Donald Trump obviously trounced Kamala Harris in the US election. So a lot of the time, whenever there's an election or there's a budget or anything like that, what a lot of people always look at is how are the city and how are currencies reacting to what's basically happened. So the big question is, since Donald Trump did win the US election, how have they reacted? So the irony is, and the funny thing is, US shares have hit record highs on Wall Street. So the dollar has posted its biggest gain in 8 years as Donald Trump was re-elected to the White House. Bitcoin, I'm not rich enough to be able to personally afford Bitcoin, has also hit an all-time high following the election promise to prioritise the volatile cryptocurrencies. So let's have a look what's actually happened. So the major US stock indexes soared, with banks performing particularly well. So the dollar was up by 1.65% against a host of different currencies, including the pound, the euro, and the Japanese yen. So the good old British pound sank 1.16% against the US dollar to reach its lowest score since August. So the best part of 2 to 3 months, it hit its lowest. The FTSE 100 index, comprising of the largest companies listed in the UK, rose in early trading before closing marginally down. Okay, so that's not all good, but it's okay. It's only marginally. The euro divided 1.89% against the US dollar to its lowest level since June, as the German DAX and the French CAC 40 and stock indexes closed at 1.14% and 0.51% respectively. And in Japan, the benchmark Nikkei 225 stock index ended the session up by 2.6%. And in mainland China, the Shanghai Composite Index ended 0.1% lower, with Hong Kong's, I hope I'm going to pronounce this right, because I never do finance. Hong Kong's Hang Seng was down by around 2.23%. So all in all, it looks like all the promises that Donald Trump has made, whether he'll be able to keep those promises, has done the US dollar a world of good, because they seem to be up and performing well, and everything else on the downer. So obviously, this could just be a knee-jerk reaction. You do get knee-jerk reactions when budgets come out and countries elect new prime ministers and presidents. So obviously we will see what happens in the coming days. It may turn around and react differently, or it may carry on trending in the similar way it is. Time will tell at the end of the day. But for now, thanks for listening to obviously what has happened in the last 24 hours. If it does turn around, we will let you know. But for now, thanks for listening, and we'll speak to you again a bit later.